Hi, I'm Garrett with Pit Boss Grills, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the Austin XL. Once you've taken everything out of the box and laid it out, be sure to check the owner's manual to make sure that you have all the parts. The first step is to assemble the cart. The left two legs have support feet. Next, you're going to take 4 screws and connect the bottom shelf to the 4 legs. Connect the legs with the long support plates and the side supports. The next step is attaching the wheels. Put the axle through the wheel, through the leg, add the washer and the cotter pin. Add the casters to the left legs. When aligned properly, the main grill should be sitting level and secure on the cart. Fasten the barrel to the legs and skirt. Next, insert the diffuser plate over the fire pot. Secure the lid stopper under the top of the main barrel using the pre-installed screw. Attach the lid handle and the side handle. Attach the dome thermometer. Remove the grease bucket shipped in the hopper. Fasten the chimney to the barrel using the gasket provided. Insert the flame broiler and the cooking grids. Now that it's all put together, be sure to go online to pitbossgrills.com to register your grill.